Welcome to Travel Tracker Routing. Today we'll look at how to download and review the file from your student information system. Now during implementation, your specialist will have worked with someone in your IT department to set up a nightly import from your student information system into Travel Tracker Routing so that your student data is always up to date and always matches what's in your student information system. And this works whether you're using PowerSchool, Infinite Campus, or any other student information system. Now, let's say that a student was routed yesterday, but today they come in as withdrawn, and you're just not quite sure why that would have happened. We can download that file and review any changes that have gone through. Now, you can always see your changes in the new/change requests page over here to the right, but to look at the actual file that is getting sent from your student information system, we're going to go to Settings, and then in the middle of the page here is a section called Data Sync. This is where we can download that file, and you'll see there are two options here. We have download file in SFTP folder. Now that SFTP folder is the secure folder that information uploads to. However, we're not going to use that button. We are going to use the download file last synced. So this is always going to download the most current file. So we can see up here that the last file sync was on April 29th, 2021. So the most recent file that we're going to be downloading is from that date. This file in the SFTP folder is going to be the original file that was sent. So anytime you're wanting to dig a little deeper into your students' change requests, you'll always want to download the file last synced. What happens next will change depending on your browser. I'm in Chrome here, so my file pops up down at the bottom of my screen. This is the file from your student information system, and it has all of your student data in it. So we've got our student IDs, student first name, student last name. We can see their school, their grade, and their address. But if we move a little further down, we'll see columns for writer. Now this is also an important column. Your district may or may not have this in your student file, but if you do, it is great for tracking that ridership as well. So pulling this spreadsheet down from your Travel Tracker routing portal can help give a little more insight into any changes that are happening with your students, especially if you're downloading that last file synced. You can just confirm any changes, especially if you've got some withdrawn students that may not be withdrawn. If you've got any more questions about this, please reach out to your implementation specialist.